As my for customer is, you can see a beautiful bit of kit. This is our Triumph America or Bonneville. Pretty well for every Triumph there is actually, but you can see here simple slip-on exhaust with a spacer, and you'll be able to hear it in a minute. Beautiful looking exhaust. Fitted these really since the early first Triumph Americas and Bonnevilles came out, and you can imagine compared to the stock things which are here, you know, big weight saving, much deeper sound, really nice, short stubby pipes, real 70s look. If you're interested in any great deals like this, give us a call. It's 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com. We do a heat shield, about 19 quid to go over this, to hide this particular gap where obviously in the old, this hasn't been cleaned because it's been under the original heat shields. But nice bit of kit, and as I say, not crazy money, 135 a pair. Thank you.